Hello dear teachers, students and parents. Today me, Muhammad and my partner San Sami will discuss a very interesting topic called world hunger.
What is world hunger? The heart rules short and urgent. We produce enough food to feed 10 billion people. Yet millions of people suffer every day and go to bed hungry every single night. The gap is not in production but in disruption and justice. It's time to close this gap and end the cycle of hunger.
Okay, now let's talk about the main things that cause world hunger.
The first reason, poverty. Hunger isn't usually caused by the lack of food in the world, but
by lack of purchasing power.
When people live on less than a few dollars a day, they cannot afford much food and nutrients they need.
Next up, conflict and war. I really sad one if we're being honest. When war occurs, many people lose their farms and also roads and markets will get destroyed.
An example is
the things that are happening in West.
Another reason is climate change. Extreme weathers like tsunami, flash and floods, and unpredictable seasons can destroy crops and kill livestock.
Everyone, education is the bridge of food security. If people lack in education, they will end up in low-paying jobs. Because of that reason, they won't be able to buy the food they need to survive.
Poor farming system. Many farmers have trouble accessing to modern tools and high-quality seeds, which this could affect the food we eat and could lead to a huge food waste.
Unequal food disruption. The world actually produces enough food for everyone, but is disrupted poorly. It's never a production problem, but economic problem.
Everyone, now let's all watch a video that is related to world hunger.
It's because it's never enough to talk about world hunger. Because no matter how many times you talk about world hunger, it's never enough.
We are concerned. We tackle hunger in the world's poorest countries. Hunger isn't the feeling of skipping a meal. Hunger is going without even one adequate meal, day after day after day. 875 million people are hungry right now. That's 1 in 8 people on the planet. We see the effects of hunger firsthand. It prevents adults from working. It stunts the growth of babies. It stops children going to school. Every 12 seconds, a child dies from hunger-related causes, making it one of the biggest health problems facing the world today. We believe, with access to the world's resources, hunger is a problem that can be solved by combining our expertise with people's local knowledge, by training local health workers, by educating families about which foods are most nourishing, by helping people grow enough food to eat and more to sell at local.
How we could help stop the world hunger?
Donating. You can donate to websites and shelters, which we will show you guys in the next slides.
We could volunteer. When you volunteer, you give your time and effort without expecting any money in return.
Spreading the word. Spreading the word is really important and can cause huge impact. Because when you tell other people what they could do to help, they will also tell people they know. By doing this, you are starting a cycle to end world hunger.
The top 2 countries that are currently facing the world's hunger crisis are Sudan and South Sudan. The first one, Sudan's worst hunger crisis. Sudan is currently facing what experts call the worst humanitarian crisis globally. Over 21 million people are in desperate need of food aid. A brutal war that has been lasted over 1,000 days has destroyed farms and markets. The second one, South Sudan. The highest percentage, about 57% of entire country, over 7 million people is facing crisis levels of hunger. While Sudan has more people in total, South Sudan often has a higher percentage of its population suffering. And here are the 2 types of websites that we can donate to them. The first one, Barzan Charity Foundation, and the second one is Kurdistan Save the Children.
Conclusion. World hunger is not just a problem of food, but a problem of inequality and lack of care. Millions of people suffer every day while others have more than enough. If we work together, share and support those in need, we can reduce hunger and save lives. Even small actions like donating food, raising awareness, or helping community can make big difference.
Thank you for your all attentions.